Could you tell us since when you're in business and what is exactly that you do?
My company name is Gadget Genie FZCO. We are into this business for since 2019. As of now, we are doing import and export of brand new mobile phones. Mostly we are dealing into Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, sometimes Tecno and Infinix also. We do stocking in Dubai Airport Free Zone. We have a logistic partners there, Captains, Union, 365 Days, AJ Logistics. So we keep the stock there and then we sell it to our customers.
Could you tell us how 2021 has been different to 2020?
It's really amazing to see the people back into the industry, to have a face-to-face meeting with them. The last year was a little bit very difficult for rest of the world, including me as well as including Dubai also. We are very obliged to the UAE government. They have did a very fantastic job. So we don't feel the effect of COVID too much, although there was a little effect of this one. Since last 1 year, we are back into our offices, we are back into the market, and it's going very well actually. It's very active. Maybe I don't know about the rest of the world. There's some restrictions in Europe, some USA, and all these things. But in Dubai, we feel very safe, very active.
How do you see the market at the moment, and which brands do you do?
There is a shortage of supply from the brands itself. So what I believe, the prices will go up. There will be a shortage of supply for maybe the last quarter of the year will be little very tight for all the brands. Now we know that Apple has already announced that they will be also short in terms of supply, in terms of sales. They won't be able to achieve their targets. So I believe the prices will go up, but parallelly, if you have a good relationship with the distributors and probably the GSM exchanges, providing a very good platform for us, so we don't feel that there will be a difficulty in this one. But yes, everyone will be affected for this one.
You're one of our exhibitors in GITEX 2021. How is your experience so far?
Amazing. Believe me, I was not expecting that much crowd because there are still some restrictions in some part of the world. But we have seen visitors from all part of the world, especially the South American market. I've seen many clients coming from Panama, Mexico, and all these places, especially from Middle East also. We have a plenty footfall in this show. First day, second day. This is the fourth day, and I just got little time to give you the intro. So yes, definitely, it's a very tight up shop, and going to boom up our industry back.
What is that intrigues you from the industry and keeps you going on?
Definitely the technology. The innovations which is coming into this mobility is something which attracts me. The only reason to be in this industry is we are, we are getting the gadgets, the new upgraded technology, the new upgraded gadgets, and definitely what I look into this domain is that in future we are going to get more gadgets, these type of technically sound products which can boost up and through the channel of the wholesale channel, the distribution channel. So what I believe that there's a plenty of growth. The sky is the limit.
What do the next 1 or 2 years looks in terms of expansion of your company and your business?
Now, in terms of growth, I believe now we have seen a very dull phase in the last 1 year. So people are little, not much, they are not able to take too much risk. But yes, what I believe in Middle East, especially in Dubai, I feel everybody wants to do business with Dubai. They want to come to Dubai, they want to explore the Dubai, they want to do business with Dubai. All the, the government, this one support is there. The UAE government is providing a very good support to traders, to investors. So from my market, I believe there's a lot of growth, lot of opportunities. Also Expo is there, Expo 2020, it will be going through till March 2022. So I believe a lot of potential is there in the market, and a lot of investors will be attracted towards this market.